Introduction to Deep Learning and Machine Learning. Machine learning and deep learning are both subsets of artificial intelligence. Machine learning uses algorithms to learn from the structured data to predict output and discover patterns. Deep learning uses algorithms based on neural network to detect a pattern in large unstructured dataset. In other words, machine learning uses statistical method to enable machines to improve with experience. Deep learning uses neural network which are similar to neuron in human brain to imitate the human functionality. The popular application of machine learning are email spam filtering, product recommendations, online fraud detections. The popular application for the deep learning self-car driving, language translator, and NPL, natural language processing. Thank you.